Mobile is set to become the fourth largest aviation city in the world. Today, Airbus announced it is significantly expanding its footprint in the port city, adding an additional assembly line and with it 1,000 new jobs.
NBC 15's Andrea Ramey was there for the big announcement. She joins us now live with the latest. Andrea, they say this has generational importance for Mobile.
Yeah, Greg and Kim, local leaders say this is truly transformative for our community. You know, right now, Airbus has the A220 assembly line and the A320 assembly line currently employing roughly 1,200 people. It hopes to ramp up to 1,500 employees by the end of the year. But with today's announcement of a second A320 assembly line and 1,000 more jobs, that will be a total of 2,500 employees when they are fully operational in 2025. Now, helping to fill all those positions is a partnership with Bishop State Community College, and that is where today's announcement was made at the new Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center, which opens up this fall.
This is going to make Mobile, when we're up and running with all the FALs running, the fourth largest aviation city in the world. And that's quite the accomplishment. And it's been many years in the making, but it's all about the employees delivering on their commitments, and actually the state and city delivering on their commitments also.
That's really just the beginning of what's going to happen here. When you think of that, we'll be building, the number of airplanes we'll be building, fourth largest commercial aviation center in the world. When Airbus starts building the planes that they're talking about with this addition, then really all the suppliers have to take notice. I mean, whereas today it may make sense to be shipping things in and out, it's going to be an opportunity that we've never experienced before, in my opinion.
And there's the potential for even further expansion with Airbus down the road. Airbus America's CEO says that it's currently competing for a U.S. Air Force contract to build a tanker in partnership with Lockheed Martin. And if it wins that contract, it will be built here in Mobile and create an additional 500 jobs on top of the 2,500 jobs when they're fully operational in 2025. Reporting live in Mobile tonight, Andrea Ramey, NBC 15 News.